Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Charles Schwab to TradingView. First, it's important to understand that direct integration between Charles Schwab and TradingView is not currently supported. This means you cannot directly place trades from TradingView using your Schwab account. However, there are effective workarounds and alternative strategies you can employ to leverage both platforms for your trading and analysis needs. We will explore these options to help you streamline your workflow. The primary reason for this limitation is that Charles Schwab does not currently provide the necessary direct API access for TradingView to integrate seamlessly. TradingView maintains a curated list of brokerage partners that allow direct trade execution from its platform. Since Schwab is not on this list for direct integration, you will need to use their dedicated website or mobile application to place any trades. Understanding this distinction is key to managing your expectations. A common and effective workaround involves using TradingView for its robust charting and technical analysis capabilities. You can perform all your market research and identify trading opportunities there. Once you decide to make a trade, you will then manually execute it by logging into your Charles Schwab account, either through their website or mobile application. For advanced users, third-party automation tools, such as AutoView, may offer indirect connection options for automated trading. If direct integration is a critical feature for your trading strategy, you might consider exploring other brokerage firms that do offer direct connectivity with TradingView. It's worth noting that TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform, which is now part of Charles Schwab, does have TradingView connectivity. Always verify the most current list of supported brokers directly on the TradingView website to ensure compatibility before making any decisions about your brokerage accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.